Hey YouTubers, Gentru here. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. So today's video is about, it's actually a twofer, okay? So I was out here and I was just kind of whittling some steaks. I'm not going to make any beef steak jokes. And I was like, oh geez, this is a really good YouTube video opportunity. And so the video is about how can you reduce your pack weight by fashioning steaks in the field, and a really cool first aid tip that I don't think many people know. So stick around to hear about it. Okay, so what I was doing is fashioning some good old 10 steaks, okay? The way I like to do it is I take it so that the branch, you know, trees grow this way with the branches, they go outward, right? So like you see that this tree was like, and so when I cut the steaks, I make sure that this is the top. Number one, because it's where the branches are, it's a little stronger, so it can take like the beating when you pound it into the ground. And you can, if you cut it a little long here on the ends, you can use this part to go into the ground to hold, excuse me, this way, to hold your rope for your tarp or your tent or your, you know, tent hole or peg hole, whatever you want to call it. So I was getting ready to round and to kind of like sharpen up these round flat edges from my saw, and I was like, geez, I wonder if people know what you can do with this, the white pine bark. Okay, let's talk about the pitch first. So the pitch, when I was cutting this thing, I had a couple mosquito bites. I don't know if you can see this, if the camera will zoom in. But it's like got tons of sap running off it. So I was just dabbing my mosquito bites, and I have a little cut, so I was dabbing that, and I was like, geez, I wonder if people know that this is like nature's first aid remedy, you know? Number one. So the pitch can be used as like bacitracin or neosporin. It's also awesome for burns. It's like probably the best thing is for burns. You get a burn out here, which happens, and you just put a little of this on there. Excellent. So the other thing I wanted to show was you can take this, okay? This is just this, okay? It's just the skin, basically, from this, okay? And I just peeled it off. So we can do that really quickly here. I have another piece. Slit the end, and it really can see all that sap. I don't know if you can see it, but oops, that one I didn't mean to peel it down like that. It's a little bigger, that's why. The smaller ones are better. But you can get the whole chunk, and it's like basically like skinning an animal, just comes right off. So this right here, you want to use it moist, okay? You can, I don't know if you can see it glistening, but that's all pitch. Like say you cut your finger, you burned your whole finger, you can actually take this and put it like that, and then wrap it right down, and it wraps right around, fully enclosing your finger, okay? That's why I always carry duct tape, okay? I always carry like a little bit of duct tape around my lighter, my emergency lighter, and around my hiking poles, my water bottle. I got a little thing of it in my first aid kit. I carry a little baby first aid kit. So you can just take that little duct tape around this puppy, and it would be immobilized, and you'd have a wet dressing, and it would be probably better than anything you'd buy at the store. You obviously wouldn't leave it long, right? You would trim it off with your knife, and like so, okay? Or like this. Or if it's just a cut, you can just take it, cut this in half, cut it for the length you need, okay? So let's say it's just a small cut. Place that on there, and then put duct tape around. So, it's just a little first aid tip. or the white pine, and makes good, some of the best tent tarp stakes. And you can save yourself, you know, good amount of weight by fashioning them in the field, and it doesn't take long at all. You don't even have to take the bark off. It just makes it look better. You just gotta like clean up these ends, which it's easier with your axe because this is slippery. But just a couple with the axe would be easier. But anyway, that's my video. I hope you liked it. Hope you found my tips useful. If you try them, go practice them outside. Get outside. Practice your skills. Let me know what you did. I hope you liked my video. I hope you learned something today. And, you know, subscribe if you want. And otherwise, stay tuned and we'll hang out soon. All right, bye now. Take care.